Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Mixpanel. First, you will create a new Mixpanel project, which is the foundation for all your analytics. You'll select your data residency, perhaps in the United States or the European Union, and define your project's time zone for precise reporting. Don't forget to set up your organization and invite team members, assigning them appropriate roles to manage access and collaboration effectively. Next, you will integrate the Mixpanel Software Development Kit, or SDK, into your application. This involves installing the correct SDK for your platform, whether it is web, iOS, or Android. You will then initialize the SDK using your unique project token, which connects your application to your Mixpanel project. Remember to configure essential settings like opt-out and debug modes to control data collection and aid in troubleshooting. Now, let's talk about tracking. You will identify and send key user actions as events, such as sign-up or item purchased, along with relevant properties to add context. For example, an item purchased event might include properties like product name and price. You will also set user profiles with static properties like a user's name or email. Additionally, utilize super properties for data automatically attached to all events, like the user's device type. Finally, it is crucial to validate your data. Use the Mixpanel Live View to observe incoming events in real time, ensuring everything is flowing as expected. Carefully verify that event names and properties precisely match your predefined tracking plan. Test various user flows within your application to confirm all critical events are being captured accurately. If you find any discrepancies, debug your data collection immediately to maintain data integrity.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.